Alright guys, thanks for joining me in this video, and guess what? We are prepping the Subaru to go racing. Now, we have a race event tomorrow. I'm just making sure that all the fluids, the tires, everything you name it is prepared to go to the track. Now, my predictions right now, trap speed around 120 and 125, only because I don't have a clutch right now that can support or handle a nice aggressive launch. So we will see about that. So let me get the Subi ready, do a quick wash, and then we'll head on our way to the track after I get a good night's sleep. Alright guys, sorry for not filming at all. We got Josh and Steve, they're gonna run together. This is cool shit. There you are. Cameraman right here. Oh yeah. So here we are, first run of the day. Hopefully I get to run. I've been in line for about 2 hours now. I don't think I'm gonna do good times today, only because on my way up here, I pushed a little bit of coolant, meaning, you know, I pressurized the overflow and pushed a little bit of coolant, and my windshield sprayed. So I'm gonna run it on low boost first, see how it does. And then, you know, if it does good, we'll turn it up just a little bit, and then we'll go from there. Alright guys, sorry I haven't been filming much. So my ET sucked, but we hit our goal, our mile per hour at 130. Oh, it's too bright, you guys can't see that, but oh shit, almost tripped over myself. There you go, 130, 12.4 at 130.
Did you learn how to drive?
Huh?
Can you learn how to drive?
So this is cool. So yeah, I got my builder, I got my tuner right here doing adjustments to the map. There you go. Secret sauce, I can't show that. All right, so I handed Josh the keys. He's driving right now. You guys know what he's gonna do. He's gonna launch the shit out of it. You trying to turn it up? Oh, great. Oh, what's he doing? Motherfucker. Oh, yeah.
To get a treat, we got the Bader cam here. Let's see what happens. See if we can get this ET for him. I hope we don't blow this clutch off, because same clutch we got in the other car, and it's not. There we go. clutches.
Really?
Yeah, I even let out in third and got back in it.
You burned my clutch too?
Yeah.
All right, let's park it. Hey man, I saw that time. Let's see it, man. Let's see it. 9 to 152.
I should have left on the light. I would have been in the next round.
That's what's up.
Way to lay the piece on that GTR, bro. That was fucking
I should have left on the light, dude. I would have been in the next round.
Oh yeah. You didn't cut a light this time? Oh, what was your?
No, I just sat on it.
Oh, it's all good.
1.564. Bro, something happened there.
badass, dude. Great
Hell
job.
yeah.
Yes, bro. Finally.
Hey,
You fucking did it. Here, dog. Oh, it's there.
should have treated it like right next round.
Dude, that's all right. Testing too, baby. Guess what? We're looking at the log and I'll turn her up.
Yeah.
Anyway, 4-0. 600. Right there, guys. We're literally right there for an 8. I'm going to give it a little bit more. But, dude, look at that back half. 34 more mile an hour in the back half. That's just together.
Yeah. I didn't even feel like a 90.
I know, that's how they are, huh?
Like, that was
He went a 9.2 as well. What did you do?
I know, I saw him.
9.9, he went 9.24.
Right.
What did you go?
I know, this thing's fucking the beast right here. All season, guys. I bet this thing has like 50 passes on this motor, so.
Oh, yeah.
Guys, what do you think, guy? You ready to come racing?
Yeah.
So what you guys don't know is, here's the owner of Kittrick's car.
Oh, yeah?
It's gonna smoke Kittrick too.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah, right.
You get ready. Get in that gap, dog. I'm gonna give him 5 more pounds, bitch.
Hey, I have
This is how you do track days right here.
he drinks like he ships really slow.
Damn.
Yeah, there you go.
I still have a tiny bit.
I was going to call it a tie, but I guess you're...
And the clutch is not gonna hold. I'm gonna tell you guys right now. That's one of the main reasons why we're not getting the time that we want, is that clutch. I think this clutch is we're only rated for like 500 foot-pounds of torque, and we're past that. So I'm just gonna see. I'm basically just going for trap speed instead of ETs. So yeah, let's do this. Hopefully you guys can hear me. Remind me to turn AC off before I go. Damn, I got out of the hole pretty good. Damn, it got out pretty good. Fucking third gear. Fuck. Damn it. Fucking shit. Missing a gear, I still did on 11.6 at 122 after missing third. Damn, that was a good one too. Son of a damn. Fuck. I got you on camera now.
Oh God.
Are you driving?
We're gonna try to drive.
Fuck it, send it.
Try to-
riding for like 1,000 feet.
Yeah, that's why I'm fucking winning a second.
Oh.
Second to third, you ordered.
I 320 did.
What?
Yeah, 3 third to second. I was
Oh. Oh shit.
Yeah, it's raw dog.
Let her rip.
You know what that is?
What?
That's the sound of a 600 wheel stock motor driving onto the trailer, not being towed on.
Damn right.
Watch out, nerds.
There you go. All right, guys, so that is it. I don't think I'm gonna do any more runs. The race is pretty much over, but the car did exactly what I wanted it to do. 130 mile an hour trap, which is like around like a 650 wheel horsepower on a dyno, but there you go. Stock motor, STI. There you go, still together. Makes around, I don't know, probably around 600 or so.
All right, boys, we're gonna wrap this track day up. We had a blast. We had all head gasket killer over here. Obviously, we know we need to upgrade the head studs and head gaskets on the motor, but at the end of the day, he's going home with a running, driving car. Trapped 130 in the morning. We know our clutch is on due time, so in the end, 130 trapped is a 620 wheel car. Yep. That's just fast. That's where you need to be.
Yeah.
620 wheel car. I mean, that's exactly what we advertised to him, and we're really pushing the limits of that head stud. So that's gonna wrap it up, guys. Thanks, JR, for coming out and hanging out with us. It was a pleasure. We had a fun day.
Hell yeah.
Until next time. See you guys.
Peace.
But don't go just yet. I literally just got home right now. I just want to say big thanks to you guys. I met a lot of you guys out there. I really do appreciate it. But I also want to say big thanks to Josh and the family for having me out there at Import Face Off. Such an amazing time. But I'm really proud of the car. 130 mile an hour trap speed, a lot faster than I expected. This turbo and this motor setup, it has the capabilities of doing 800-900 wheel horsepower. We just needed supporting mods to do or to make that kind of power. Probably 9s in the future for this car. This makes me even hungry for more power, guys. So expect to see more power from this car, because 130 mile an hour trap speed, it's okay, but we can go even faster than that because we have the foundation to do it. But anyways, that is it. Once again, nice meeting you guys. We will talk to you guys later. You guys are awesome. Stay awesome, and we'll talk to you guys later. Peace out, guys.